Let me tell you something that might sound crazy at first. There is a manifestation method so simple that most people don't even take it seriously. But the people who take it seriously come back and say things like, magic happened in my life. They texted me after months. Or they called me the next day. Or they suddenly started acting different. Or they apologized. Or they asked me to meet. And no, you don't need candles for this. You don't need crystals. You don't need to beg the universe. You only need your mind. This technique is called the whisper method. And if you do it correctly, the results can feel almost unreal. So in this video, I'm going to explain exactly what the whisper method is, why it works, what are the correct steps, and what are the biggest mistakes people make, and how to use it for love, messages, opportunities, or even success. So watch it till the end because I'll also give you powerful whisper sentences you can copy. Now before we start, I want to be clear about something. The whisper method is not about controlling someone like a puppet. It's not about forcing people. It's about shifting your energy, your assumption, and your subconscious belief about what's possible so reality rearranges itself. Because when you change your inner world, people and situations reflect it. So what is exactly the whisper method? The whisper method is a manifestation visualization technique where you imagine a specific person or a specific situation and you mentally whisper a short sentence into their ear. Like you are literally leaning close to them, whispering the message, and then you imagine them reacting positively. So for example, if you want someone to text you, you might whisper, "Text me right now." If you want them to miss you, you whisper, "You miss me so much." If you want them to apologize, you whisper, "You're sorry and you want to fix this." And then you imagine them reacting the way you want, smiling, agreeing, hugging you, texting you, or calling you. And you repeat that scene a few times, then you let it go. Now you might ask, how can imagining something make it happen? Here's why it works. Your subconscious mind doesn't know the difference between something you vividly imagine or something you actually experienced. That's why when you imagine something emotional, your body reacts. You can literally start smiling, crying, feeling excited just by imagining things. So when you visualize whispering to someone with strong feeling, you are impressing the subconscious mind with a new story. They want me. They think about me. They contact me. Or they choose me. And when that story becomes dominant inside you, people start reflecting it. They behave differently. They show up differently because reality responds to your most consistent inner belief. Now people mostly use the whisper method for some specific person or an ex, or if you have a crush on someone, for a boyfriend or girlfriend, or in friendship situations. But you can use it for anything. You can whisper to a recruiter, your manager, a client, a teacher, or for a business deal, or even yourself. It's not limited to romance. Now I'll guide you step by step how to do it. So step 1, relax your body. The first thing you want to do is relax. This method works best when your mind is calm, not anxious. So do it before sleeping or just after waking up or after a meditation or after you have done some breath work. Even 30 seconds of deep breathing is enough. And then close your eyes and imagine the person in front of you. You don't need a perfect image. Even a blurred image and name is okay. Just know it's them. Imagine their face, their body, their vibe, and then lean in and whisper one sentence. Now this is important. Pick one sentence. Not 5, not 10, just one. A short whisper sentence. For example, you can say, "You can't stop thinking about me," or "You miss me so much," or "You want to talk to me," "You are in love with me," "You trust me completely," "You want to meet me." Whisper like it's natural. Then imagine their reaction. This is the secret sauce. You imagine them reacting exactly how you want them to. Like they are smiling or nodding, pulling you closer, saying yes, or saying "I miss you," or texting you immediately. You can even imagine them saying, "I don't know why, but I couldn't stop thinking about you." Then repeat the scene 3 to 10 times. It should take only a few minutes. Don't force it. Just loop the same scene. Then end it with certainty. Take a deep breath and end it with a statement like, "It's done. It has already happened. Of course they are thinking about me." And then let it go. This is very important. Don't chase. Don't stalk. Don't obsess. Just visualize and then release. Now let me tell you the biggest mistakes people make, because this is where people block themselves. The most common mistake they make is they do it from desperation. If your energy is like, "Please, please, 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 I need them. I will die if I don't get the text," that desperation creates resistance. Instead, you want to be calm and certain. You don't beg in the whisper method. You command gently. Another mistake they make is changing the sentences every day. Stick to one sentence for at least 3 days, because repetition builds belief. Another most common mistake is obsessing about it all day long. People do the whisper method, then check their phone 200 times. No, that tells the subconscious mind it's not working. Instead, live like it's already done. And the most common mistake is low self-concept. If you are whispering, "Text me," but deep inside you believe, "I'm not good enough. I'm always rejected. Nobody chooses me," then your dominant belief will win. That's why self-concept matters. Now I promised you that if you watch till the end, I'll give you some powerful whisper sentences. So here they are. For text and calls, you can say, "Text me right now." "You want to talk to me." "Call me." "You miss my voice." For love and commitment, "You only want me." "You are obsessed with me." "You are so in love with me." "You choose me fully." And if you want someone to apologize or reconcile, you can say, "You regret losing me. You want to fix this. You are sorry and you want to make it right. You are coming back to me." And for work or new opportunities, you can say, "You want to hire me. You see my value. You trust me completely. This opportunity is mine." And for confidence, whisper to yourself, "I am chosen. I am powerful. I always get what I want. Everything works out for me. Now, if you want this method to work even faster, do these three things. Do it before sleep because your subconscious mind is wide open at that time. Act normal during the day. Don't chase, don't beg, don't spiral. And build self-concept. Even one affirmation daily, like I'm always chosen and prioritized, is going to create magic in your life. Because the whisper method works best when you believe you are worthy. So that's the whisper method. Try it tonight and come back to this video and tell me what happened because I love hearing your success stories. So this is your host Madhu signing off and see you in the next video.